The only transport girlie, this style is for you. You see, hairbands should just be your best friend. Like, hairbands should be your best friend. If you're going out and you want to, and you feel like you want to look good and all that, trust me, you need hairband. So, anywhere I go to, when you see me with hairband, except maybe I'm using a private car, okay, but if I'm using public transport, I'll always use hairband because when you mean the whole hustle and bustle and everything, this was very well, trust me. Okay, now I'll give you guys outfit of the day. Let me see. Outfit of the day. Don't mind the background. Yes. I'll show you the full fit when I'm done getting dressed and tidying up. My lord, may I? Oh my god. When you see me with this bag, you know that I mean business. My transport. I think I hold this one on my hand. Then I need my diary. I thought my diary was here. Let me get it real quick. So I've got my diary, my folder. Make sure I have this folder because any paper I have, I just make sure it's secure, right? Then I've been reading this book. Anybody that knows this book, thank the author for me. It's a nice book. I keep it just in case I have some free time. Look, that's part of my journey to start on more. So if he sees it, he will just kill me. So outfit of the day, you know, my shoe is in my bag. I'm trekking, so you need to have one nice slippers to use. So I'll see you guys. I think I'll do a video later on and then